In this video, we're going to talk about the 4 functions of money. First one is the medium of exchange. Second, we'll talk about unit of account. Third, we're going to talk about the store of value. And fourth, as a means of deferred payment. So first, let me tackle medium of exchange. If you've ever purchased something from a store, you have used money as a medium of exchange. You go and you give this, and they give you something in return. You have exchanged this money for goods and services. That's the basic definition or explanation of a medium of exchange, that it can be used to trade for goods and services. So that's the first function. I'm going to use the Zimbabwe dollar to help me out next. And if I told you something costs 20 Zimbabwe dollars, I would argue most of you would really have no clue if that's a lot or that's a little. But if I told you it cost me $1, a lot of you could tell me exactly what that dollar would buy you in your own country, roughly. So that's the unit of account function. That you can use this to determine how much things should be valued at or understand the value of things in this unit. If I say something's $1,000, you have an idea that it's probably expensive. If I told you something is 20 Zimbabwe dollars, most of you are clueless as to what this can buy. This is actually very, 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 very little. And the third function of money is the store of value, which means if I go and I took this same dollar and I put it in a bank account today and I withdraw it in a week, assuming no inflation, this dollar will still have the same value as it did when I put it in the week earlier. You can't say the same thing about chocolate. You can't say the same thing about ice cream. You can't say the same thing about tobacco. Right? These things that lose value over time. This currency is designed to serve as a store of value, which means if I put it in the bank, I should be able to take it out later with little to no reduction in value. So that last function of money is as a means of deferred payment. And a means of deferred payment means you and I can agree a contract in dollar term. If I use the US dollar for this example, we can say today you will perform some work for me and I will pay you in the future $1,000. And because you and I both have faith in this currency and we trust it, that means we believe that it will be in use in the future. It allows us to agree a contract in dollar terms today. And that's a means of deferred payment. Now, if you like these videos, please subscribe below, leave me a comment, let me know what's going well, what I can improve on, and the other kind of material you would like to see. If you want to send me a direct message about something you're not sure of, email me at EnhanceTuition@gmail.com. As always, I love to get emails from you guys. It lets me know that I'm doing something right. It also tells me what I can do better. And I also really like learning about your unique situation, so when I make videos, I can think about you first and then create them. So please do drop me a line. Let me know how you're doing. What are you studying? Why are you watching this video? What did you take from it? All of these things are extremely helpful for me as I'm going to develop and build this channel to better serve you to understand economics. Thank you.